Are you still using ChatGPT like it's a basic search engine? If so, you're wasting most of its power. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to master it. Let's start with 2 game changers you're probably ignoring. First, custom instructions. Go to your settings and tell ChatGPT who you are and how you want it to respond. Are you a marketer? A student? A programmer? Define your role and your preferred tone. Formal, casual, funny. Once you set this, every single answer will be perfectly tailored to you. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you inside and out. Next, stop copying and pasting text. Use the file upload feature. Just click the little paperclip icon and upload PDFs, documents, or even spreadsheets. You can ask it to summarize a 50-page report, extract key data from a spreadsheet, or turn a messy document into a clean presentation. It's a massive time saver. Now for the power moves. Are you a coder? Stop staring at that bug for hours. Upload your code file or just paste the snippet and ask ChatGPT to debug it. It will not only find the error, but explain what went wrong and give you the corrected code. I've saved countless hours this way. And what about those secret prompts? Forget, write me an email. Get specific. Try prompts like, act as a world-class copywriter and write 3 high-converting headlines for a product about, or adopt the persona of a history professor and explain the fall of the Roman Empire to a 5-year-old. The more context and roleplay you give it, the more magical the results will be. Finally, the key to mastery is integrating ChatGPT into your daily workflow. Start your day by asking it to plan your schedule based on your to-do list. When you're stuck on an email, ask it to draft a reply. Use it to brainstorm ideas for your next project, or even create a workout plan. Make it your go-to partner for thinking and creating. Once it becomes a habit, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. So, there you have it. 5 tips to transform you into a ChatGPT power user. Which one are you most excited to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.